What's up? I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get the most out of your eBay drop shipping from Amazon. First, I would recommend using Drobo AI as your AI, as it auto posts easily on the cloud, multiple accounts. It's pretty cool. It also can keep track of your total balance and orders on all of your eBay accounts. It's pretty nice. So right now I have two accounts and I just created one yesterday and bought the eBay subscription to see if it works. And I did $100 in revenue just from yesterday. So that's all. This is not revenue. This is like the eBay balance is connected. So here's the second account. As you can see, if we go down to today, we got four today, almost $100 in revenue, and then I had another. My other account did too. So it's like about 130, 140 total in revenue, something like that. But the profit was pretty good. So how did I get all these today? Um, So what I did is I went to the eBay subscriptions and I bought that $27 one and I put it on the account and I let Drobo AI post 1,000 listings. It's still posting obviously. And literally that's literally that simple. I already made back that money and now I'm on the way to make the money back from Drobo AI subscription. And this is the first day of trying this on this account. So it's literally just from buying the subscription and using the promotion. So it's pretty nice. It works. And that's literally all you have to do. So if you go to your, I think you go to your eBay. So we go to our, see my store. All right, right there. Selling tools, subscriptions. This is where you want to go. And as you see, they charged 27 this month. And I literally started it, literally it says today. And then I posted those and I've got those sales all today just from doing that. So you can make money the same day by getting the subscription. And it's honestly worth it. So if we go down here to our payments summary, see my total funds after the subscription. See, that's the subscription that they charge me, and then I have 86 on hold. So that's everything I'd be getting. So yeah, I mean that's Drobo AI. I mean just from two of those sales, I made 30 bucks profit. So that already paid for it. So then I get the profit from the other two items. So it's pretty nice. It literally just paid off that subscription in not even a day, in just like 7, 8 hours, just by posting listings. We have 713. So I recommend getting that subscription and then start posting. Obviously that account limit right here is gonna prevent you. I only have $800 more, so I'm just gonna stop it and just let the sales come in and have them all promoted as well. The bot automatically promotes them. So if we go to our other browser, and did we not stop it? I thought we did. All right, so right here, we just stopped it. It says target 1,000 listings. It posted 531, 80% profit, 12% promo, and a minimum of $4 and max 14. So that's the Amazon listings that it searched through, and we have over 46,000 products scraped in our pool, and only it goes by one. So like let's say if it scrapes one for your account, it will remove it from the pool so other people can't use it. So this is the promotion. It automatically, so the profit you put is how much of the actual profit you'll make. And then it adds this to the price as well. And then it adds the eBay fee to the price as well. So literally put in the profit that you want, and that's what it will be. That's what the profit you'll literally get besides the tax on the item. So yeah, that's Drobo AI. This is what I recommend you guys use. It has an autofulfill. It doesn't add Track Talker yet. It's kind of broken at the moment, but soon Track Talker will be enabled and it will automatically fulfill tracking ID. So currently you do that manually, but honestly, it's a game changer when it comes to eBay drop shipping. You can manage multiple, up to 5 accounts, I believe. You can actually add more, but you can run 5 at the same time on Enterprise, and you can manage hundreds of probably accounts on here and keep track of all the orders and everything. So yeah, that is Drobo AI. It is a brand new platform and it's up and coming still, so they're gonna be adding Etsy and all that. But yeah, go ahead, go check it out. droboai.com. Get your 3 day free trial. Then you get 50% off the first month, and then you can also invite a friend and get another month free.